Okay, guys, our lesson for today is one-step addition equations. One-step addition equations. Now, in the previous lesson, guys, we check the solution from given numbers. For example, what we did in the previous lesson. For example, x plus 5 equals 11. I gave you numbers beside this equation. This we call it equation. We call it equation. Equation. If algebraic expression has an equal sign, we call it equation. Okay. Now, beside it, if the question gave you numbers to check if there are solutions or no, like 5, like 6, like 7, these numbers we will check by substituting x by 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, not 11. So 5 is not a solution. Put 6 here. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 equal to 11. Then 6 is the solution. Okay. Now, what's the meaning of addition equation? Means an equation with the add sign. An equation with the add sign. Okay. So addition equation. What's the addition equation? Addition equation. It is an equation with add sign. Like for example, y plus 8 equal 9. This we call it addition equation. It has an add sign. For example, m plus 4 equal 12. This is addition equation. It has an add sign. Add sign. Addition equation. Addition equation. For example, t plus 9 equals 14. Addition equation. For example, 7 equal 5 plus k. This is addition equation. Okay. Now, these are, we call them addition equations. All of them has an addition sign. All of them has an addition sign, like this one. Okay. Now here, what's the variable here? Here the y is the variable. And here the variable in this equation is t. Here the variable is m. The variable is k. We know the variable. The variable is the unknown. What's the unknown value here? We know 8. We know 9. But we don't know y. So y is the variable. K, t, m, k. These are the variables in these equations. Now, this plus 8 is connecting with the variable. Plus 8 is connecting with the variable. 9 connecting with the variable. 4 connecting with the variable. Here, the number which is connecting with the variable is 5, not 7. 7 is after the equal. So we have variable and a number connected with it. M plus 4. M is the variable and the constant number, we call it constant if you remember. A number connected with the variable m plus 4, y plus 8, t plus 9, 5 plus k. Now today what we will do, guys, today we will solve, and this word is very important, solve the equation. Solve the equation. Now what's the meaning of the word solve? Solve the equation means to find the value of the variable. So solve the equation means to find the value of the variable of that equation. Means if I want to solve this equation, means I want to find the value of y. If I want to solve this equation, means I want to find the value of m. If I want to solve this equation, means I want to find the value of t. If I want to solve this equation, means I want to find the value of k. So solving equation means to find the value of the variable. It's very important. It's very important. Now, how we will solve the addition equations? How we will solve the addition equations? Now, to solve the addition equations, and this is important note here, to solve the addition, equation, focus guys, it's important. The addition equation what we will do, guys, subtract. To solve the addition equation, subtract the connected constant from both sides. Let's remember what we have here until now. Now, what's the addition equation? It's an equation with plus sign. Like these examples, I gave you 4 examples of addition equations. Y plus 8 equal 9. It has an addition sign. We call it addition equation. What's the variable here? Y. What's the connected number with the variable? 8. Here, what's the variable? M. What's the connected number with the variable? 4. Here, what's the variable? T. The connected number with the variable? 9. What's the variable? K. The connected number with the variable? 5. Now, what's the meaning of solving the equation? Solve, the word solve of the equation means to find the value of the variable in the equation. Okay? Please focus. These are important things. Now, how we solve the addition equation? To solve the addition equation, subtract the connected constant from both sides. Subtract the connected constant from both sides. Now, how we will do solving equations? Let's take example how we do solving equations. Example, solve the following equation. For example, y plus 7 equals 34. Y plus 7 equal 34. In the previous lesson, I gave you values here and you check which one of them is a solution. Today, no. You will find the value of y. You will find the solution. You won't check the solution like the previous lesson. Today, you will find the solution. Now, how we solve the following equation? Let's go back to our note. To solve the addition equation, subtract. If we have addition, we will subtract. It's important. If we have addition, we will subtract the connected constant from both sides. What's the connected constant here? Here is the variable, and the connected constant is 7. So how we will solve it? By subtraction. And please focus here, guys. We will subtract the connected number by both sides. So I will rewrite the equation. Y plus 7 equal 34. I rewrite the equation. Now, rewrite the equation means write the equation again. Now, where is the connected variable, the connected constant here? This is the variable, and this is the connected constant, 7. And it's addition. So I will subtract 7 from both sides. Look here, minus 7, and here also minus 7. And put a line like this. Okay? To solve the addition equation, subtract the connected constant from both sides. Where is the connected constant here? 7. Subtract 7 from both sides and put a line like this. Now, 7 minus 7, they are gone. 7 minus 7, they are gone. 0. 7 minus 7, 0. What is still here now? Is still y. Still y, because 7 is gone with minus 7. And the equal comes down. Now, 34 minus 7, how much 34 minus 7? Is it 27? Now, how much the y is it 27? This is the solution of the equation. Let's go back here. What's the meaning of the solving? To find the value of the variable of that equation. I already found the value of the variable. Y equal what? 27. Let's go back here now to check. Replace y by 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. Let's take another example. Example, important guys, focus please. Solve the following equation. Focus please guys. X plus 11 equals 79. X plus 11 equals 79. Now to solve addition equation, what we said here, to solve addition equation, subtract the connected constant from both sides. The first step, rewrite the equation. Write the equation again. X plus 11 equals 79. Now where is the variable x? What's the connected number? Plus 11. So I will subtract 11 from both sides like this. Minus 11 under each other. And here also minus 11, and it's important to write the sign of the minus, the subtraction sign. Minus 11, minus 11. Now line and simplify. Now plus 11, minus 11, they are gone. Still what here? Still x equal comes down. Now 79 minus 11 is 88. So what's the value of x? It's 88. Now this is the solution of the equation. This is our equation, the original one. Now let's check. How we check? Replace x by 88. 88 plus 11. Sorry. I was adding here. No. 9 minus 1 is 8, and this is 6. Sorry. Now here, guys, 68, put it in the place of the variable. 68 plus 11, 79. So my variable here is x equals 68. Let's take another example. Another example. For example, solve the following equation. Please guys focus, it's important. Please focus, it's important. Solve the following equation. Now, for example, 3.5 equal m plus 2. 3.5 equal m plus 2. Focus guys, look here. Now, where is the variable m? What's the connected number with the variable plus 2? I need to get rid of this plus 2 by subtracting plus 2 from both sides. Now let's rewrite the equation. 3.5 equals m plus 2. Now, what's the connected number here? It's plus 2. Get rid of it. Get rid. كبه بزبالة. How? By subtracting 2 from both sides. Now, plus 2 with minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 0. What is still here? Still m. And the equal comes down like this. Now, 3.5 minus 2, 3.5 minus 2, it is 1.5. So how much the value of m? M equal 1.5. Put it like this, m equal 1.5. And always put your solution inside the box like this. Okay? Let's revise, guys. Let's revise what we did until now. Let's revise.
Yes, Mr.
Everything is okay.
Yes.
You see the board, you hear me very well.
Yes.
Good. Let's revise, guys. Sorry. Let's revise what we did until now. Today, we will do one-step addition equations. What's the meaning of addition equations? An equation with the plus sign. Like these examples here. Look here. X plus 8, M plus 4, 5 plus K, T plus 9. These are addition equations because they have addition sign. Now, what's the meaning of the word solve? Solve the equation to find the value of the variable. See the question? Solve. Solve means finding the value of the variable. How we solve the equation? Subtract the connected constant from both sides. What's the connected constant with the variable? Here plus 8, here plus 9, here plus 4, here not 7, plus 5. Don't forget that. Okay? Now, let's take this example. Solve the following equation. Y plus 7 equals 34. The first step, write the equation again. Then, where is the connected variable? The connected number, plus 7. Subtract 7 from both sides. Like this way. Exactly like this way. And put a line. Now, 7 minus 7, they are gone. 7 minus 7, 0. No need to write it. What is still here? Still y. Equal comes down. And here makes subtraction. 34 minus 7, 27. Done. Here, x plus 11 equals 79. Rewrite the equation. Rewrite the equation. Write the equation again. Plus 11 minus 11, they are gone. 79 minus 11, 68. Done. Here, 3.5 equal m plus 2. This is the variable, and this is the connected number. يعني النمبر اللي مع الفاريبل اللي معاه. Okay? m plus 2. Get rid of plus 2 by subtracting 2 from both sides. It's important. From both sides. This we call it subtraction property of equality. Means if you subtract from both sides the same number, the equal is still valid. Now, plus 2 with minus 2, they are gone. Still m, the equal comes down. 3.5 minus 2 is 1.5. Done. M equal 1.5. This is the idea of solving addition equation. Before I continue, if you have any questions, put your hand. Any questions, put your hands. Ibrahim. Isam.
Mr. Top, if the two number has 9 and 1 over 2 like a fraction.
Do the same steps. Do you know how to subtract fractions?
Yes, I know.
So what's your question about?
Only I was want to check.
مستر، احنا لما اخذنا الفراكشنز اخذناهم عشان نرميهم بالزباله ولا عشان نضل نشتغل فيهم؟ ايوه. So we did subtraction of a fraction. So we'll do the same steps. For example, look at the board. Look at the board here. Example, solve. Solve. Don't forget this word. You will see it a lot. Solve the following equation. Look, Ibrahim.
Looking.
For example, x plus 2 over 7 equals 3 over 4. Fractions ولا مش fractions هذول؟
Fractions.
Fractions. Now, where is first step? Rewrite the equation. Write the equation again. X plus 2 over 7 equal 3 over 4. Now, where is the variable, ya Ibrahim?
X.
X. What's the connected constant with the variable?
2 over 7.
2 over 7. If it's addition, we will subtract 2/7 from both sides. Got it? I'm doing the same steps, right? Now,
Yes.
line 2/7 minus 2/7, they are gone, 0. What is still here? What is still here, ya mister?
X.
X. And the equal comes down. And here we have a 3/4 minus 2/7. Go by side and do them. 3/4 minus 2/7. Don't do them here. Do them extra space. Do them. How we do subtraction of fractions? We did that before. ولا لا؟
We did it.
So لا حد يسألني about fractions or decimals. بطلع له من الموبايل. لا حد يسألني.
Mr.
We took fractions, we took decimals, we took how we multiply, how we add, how we subtract, how we do everything. So don't ask me about these things. Now, 3/4 minus 2/7 times 7 times 7 times 4 times 4. We did that before. Now, here 21, here 28, here 8, here 21. 28, sorry. Now, 21 minus 8, how much?
13/28.
Now, simplify mixed number, decimal, I don't care. Give me the value, give me the answer, 13/28. So the value of x,
So x
is this
equals to
fraction
13/28.
minus this fraction, which is 13/28. This is the value of x. Now,
Thank you.
numbers deal with numbers, decimal deal with decimal, fractions deal with the fractions. We took numbers, we took decimal, we took fractions. That's why when we did addition and subtraction, multiplying, dividing of fractions and decimals, I told you before, it's important because you will keep using them. You will keep using them forever. Forever.
Mr.
لا
Mr.
تحكي يا ابني بدون ما اسالك، لا تحكي.
No, I was raising my hand.
لا لما اسالك. ابراهيم done.
Yes, done, mister.
عصام talk.
Mr. If we go to page 343, there is up a check. How we will solve it?
What?
The check. How we will solve it?
Where?
In page 343.
ما هو ما بديش اعصب بس انتوا بتجبروا الواحد، يعني هيك خلص بتدزوا الواحد انه يعصب غصب، عرفت؟
And
Did
how
I
we
enter
solve
the lesson يا مستر؟ مستر, did I enter the lesson? No, I didn't. So wait. Just wait. Any questions about these ideas here on the board?
No.
Any questions about these ideas here on the board?
No.
طيب أنا هيني سألت. This is recorded. Any questions about these ideas on the board?
No, sir.
أنا عندي إبراهيم وعصام only. I answered Ibrahim and I answered Isam. Good. Now let's go to our lesson. Let's go to our lesson. Let's go to our lesson. This is introduction for your lesson, okay? Now let's go to our lesson to do the examples and the check and everything there. Yeah. Starting with example 1. Starting with example 1. If you want to write these examples on the board, watch the video again and write them. Yeah, let's start with example 1 together. Yusuf Hamza, read.
Yes, Mister. Okay. Together, Ruben and Tariq downloaded 245.5 megabytes.
بس wait. Together together يعني مع بعض الاثنين. اوكي. مين ومين؟ روبن
Ruben وطارق.
and Tariq like this.
With the A, but no problem.
No problem. يلا روبن and Tariq مالهم؟
Downloaded 245.5 megabytes.
Good. Together they are downloaded. How much, ya Yusuf, again?
245.5.
0.5 megabytes, right?
Yes.
Continue.
Of music. Ruben downloaded 132 megabytes of total.
Good. روبن لحاله كم downloaded?
132 megabytes.
Megabytes. So together they downloaded 245.5. Ruben alone downloaded 132. Continue.
Write an addition equation that can be used to find how many megabytes of music Tariq downloaded.
Good. So the question asked me about Tariq. Ruben downloaded 132. The question wants me to find
for
how
Tariq.
much Tariq. Do we know how much Tariq downloaded?
No.
No. So variable. Remember, anything
Yes.
unknown, give it variable. So what I will say here, let's Tariq be T. T for Tariq. Okay. Now let's write our equation. Let's write our equation. Together means we will add them. For example, me and Yusuf, both together, we have 30 riyal. So me plus Yusuf equal to 30. Together, they downloaded 245.5, means 132 plus Tariq, which is T, equal 245.5. But because we have addition, we can switch between them. In addition, you can switch 132 plus T or T plus 132. They are the same. So let's write our equation here. T plus 132 equal 245.5. This is the equation. This is the equation. Now let's solve the equation. Read the question again, ya Yusuf.
Write an addition equation that can be used to find how many megabytes of music Tariq downloaded.
Good. Write an addition equation. I did it. Together, they downloaded this number. Tariq, I don't know, but Robin, I know. Tariq plus Robin equal the total. Now let's solve it depending on our introduction, which I erased it. Now here, where is the variable T?
T.
Unknown. I want to get rid of the connected number, which is 132 plus. So let's rewrite the equation. T plus 132 equal 245.5.
Yes.
Now, how I will get rid? We said before, subtract the connected number with the variable in both sides. Minus 132 minus 132. Line, don't forget that. And 132 with minus 132, they are gone. Still what here? T. T equal, subtract these two numbers. وديسيمال وحطهم فوق بعض وحكينا هذا الحكي كله. The answer will be, if you subtract these two numbers, the answer will be What's the answer? Let's subtract 245.5 minus 132. There is no
32.
decimal. We add decimal with 0. Remember?
Yes.
Subtract 5 decimal 2
5,
1
3.
1 112.
Not 2 3 يا مستر.
يا زلمه يا 3 مش شايفها؟ هي
اوكي
شفتها
كانت
عاد
2.
اني انا كاتب 3. انا من اول كاتب 3.
طيب
طيب.
اسفين.
113 لا كنت كاتب 2 بس بختبرك. 113 decimal 5. So 113 decimal 5. مين هذه ال 113 decimal 5؟
طارق.
بس thank you. This is example 1. This is example 1. Now, let's go to do the check together. Let's go to do the check together. With Rakan. روحي Rakan. Mr. Isam, focus with the check now.
The chariots and Paz have 756 decimal 80 dollars.
Together, again, together, مين ومين؟
Chariots and Paz.
نفسي أعرف من مين بتجيبوا هذول الأسامي أنا نفسي. Z and مين الثاني؟
P.
Paz.
Paz.
Paz. Ziyad and Paz. أيوة.
Have
Together.
$756.80 dollars.
Hello. Together, they have $756.8. Continue.
If Ziyad has $489.50 dollars, how much does Paz have?
Paz. Paz, we want to know Paz, right?
Yeah, so Paz is the
Continue.
variable.
Yalla, continue.
Write an addition equation that can be used to find the amount of money that belongs to Paz.
Hello. Together means if you add them, the answer will be the total, right, Yarakan?
Yeah.
So P plus Paz plus Ziyad 489.50 equal the total of the money 756.8. صح?
Yeah.
This is the equation. How we solve it? Rewrite the equation, then subtract this number from both sides, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. P plus 489 decimal 50 equals 756 decimal 8. Now let's subtract 489 decimal 50 minus 489 decimal 50 line. These two numbers will gone because they are the same and subtraction between them.
Yeah. And
It's
now
still P.
756.8 minus 489 equal.
Let's subtract 756.8 minus 489.50. Here 0, no need for it. And subtract. Here 3 decimal, 6 minus 9 cannot. Here 4, here 16, here 7, here 6, 14, 6, 2. $267.3. لمين هدول الفلوس؟
Paz.
La Paz. This is the check. That's all for today, guys. For your homework.